Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. As you can see, I have new hair. Your girl went blonde, okay? This is super out of my comfort zone. So in this video, I just tried to create a look that would be simple, but definitely work with blonde hair. I tried to use mostly affordable products in this get ready with me because this hair is also affordable. So if you want to see it, of course, you know what to do. Keep on watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this hair on me. I'm getting used to it, guys. So as you can see, I have blonde hair. So this is just going to be a super minimalistic makeup look and hairstyle because, of course, the hair is doing enough. I prime my face with my new favorite, the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I color corrected, of course, with my all-time favorite, my MAC Prep and Prime in Peach Luster. Everything that I use today is going to be listed down below with links in case you want to go ahead and check them out. So I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer. I like to do this while my primer is setting. So yeah, this covers the darkness on my eyes as well as just kind of gives me a nice base. I look kind of orange. Like I tell you, whenever I have like different color hair, it makes my skin color look so different. It's weird. See how nice and even that is? And we're just gonna go straight in with the Maybelline Fit Me Skin Tint. So because it's a skin tint, using this flat brush is gonna help to give me a little bit more coverage with it, because it's really dense and it's kind of just packing it on your face, packing it on the skin. And just look at how hydrated and pretty my skin looks. I'm gonna go and put just a little bit of the Too Faced concealer under my eyes, and then we'll put some Maybelline under there as well. So now we're gonna go in with this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I haven't used this in a while because I haven't been getting no sleep, so this is more like a light medium coverage. I don't bake. What I do is just take the damp beauty blender sponge and I press the translucent powder into my skin. I find that I get a really natural finish by doing that. So this is the Morphe Bronzer collab with Avani Greg. It's a luminous bronzer. I've been using it a lot lately, so you're probably going to see it a lot more, but I've seriously been loving it. I love how radiant it is. I love the actual tone of it. It has that red in it. It just gives me everything that I need in a bronzer. I love a bronze skin, but do you see how pigmented that is? Like, I use a little bit. So just gonna blend it out. It's gonna come together even if it looks crazy right now. I also like to take the bronzer that I'm using and blend it into my crease. The blush I'm gonna be using today is the LYS Beauty blush in Self Love, and it's a mauve pink color. So I'm just gonna be using the back of my beauty sponge. This sponge is actually Sonia Kashuk, so I'll link this below. I really like it. It's really big, but it's nice. So I like to kind of just place the blush first and then press it in with the sponge. So for the powder today, I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. You guys know how I feel about this. It's going to enhance the already radiant finish from the Maybelline Skin Tint. I line my bottom lash line with this MAC Cosmetics Feline pencil. This is literally the most softest, easiest eyeliner that I've ever used. There's literally no pulling or snagging on your lash line. So this is like, I will forever purchase this one. So the color is Feline, and this is their MAC Cosmetics pencil, eye kohl pencil. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and the shade that I have is 100 Molten Gold. So I don't want too much, to be honest. Like I said, like with this hair, I feel like my hair is just too much. So I'm really not trying to do too much anything else. So yeah, I don't want too much. Like that to me is already too much. I don't want too much, but it does tie the face together for me. So I'm gonna use a little bit, but yeah, I just blend it out really well. So the pencil that I'm gonna use is my NYX lip liner in Cappuccino. So this is the Virgin lipstick. And then I'm going to go on top of it with Boho, which is the liquid lip gloss. And so this is like my new favorite combo. So before I go ahead and just blend my lashes with some mascara, the last step, of course, is the setting spray. And this is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Is literally the best one on the market. Whew. So I have this brow set by MAC, and what this is basically if your hair is lighter, your hair color is lighter, and you want to lighten your brows to kind of match, then you would use this. This one, it kind of works for like a honey blonde, blondish hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys on one brow like how it looks. I'm gonna brush it the way I set the hairs, the way I want to set the hairs. So you just, do you see that? Let's go on to this hair. I'm going to keep it super simple because hair is not my thing, but you know, we still want to look kind of put together. So I'm going to take you guys along. I love a side part. It's my thing. I actually do not like a middle part. So it's funny that I've been wearing a middle part, but I don't like middle parts. So I did tone this hair because it was super yellow. The only thing is I feel like I toned it too much because I do have a yellow undertone. I feel like the yellow would have been good, but I kind of went in a little bit too much, and it's like giving like white kind of platinum vibes right now.